It all comes down to this. This right here's the moment. Going for the goal. It all comes down to this. It all comes down to this.
Over the years. Housemate.
Lagay.
And this one's for Joanne. Yes. Having stylist dati before pa. And then, syempre, my daughter.
Oh, as sure as the day breaks.
Si Mata. Wala ka naggalit. Aja. 5 years ago, September 16, nung una tayong nag-usap ng seryoso.
I thought hindi na ako babalik sa lugar ninyo. Yung isang beses na yun led to another visit. And then another one. And then we just stayed together.
Find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time.
Regalo ka ng Panginoon sa akin. At nawa ang iyong buhay ay para din sa Kanya.
I can feel it all around me. Every moment, every heartbeat. Oh, this love is like I've never known before. So let's run it, never look back. Oh, I know that what we have is everlasting and will be forevermore. Oh, and I will love you till the end. Every moment breathe it in, just to have you by my side. Oh, time after time, when I close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time after time. Oh, time after time. Time after time. Oh, time after time.
Here's to many more years na mag-aaway tayo. Ang babate.
Umaawit ang langit sa araw na itong walang katulad. Tiyak na at walang subalit, ikaw lang ang lahat ng aking hinahangat habang buhay. Gising ng mga damdaming hindi ko akalaing nasa akin, habang patuloy ang pagsulat at pagkulay ng kwento ng ating pagmamahalan. Walang katapusan. Habang buhay, mabubuhay ang pag-ibig natin sa bawat
Boy!
It's a girl.
Hindi ko lang ganda ni girl.
Hindi hula pero wish, boy. Tingin ko, trip ni Jay, boy.
Yun yung pangarap niya na naudlot eh. Maging boy.
Mahal yung gender. Ganon din naman yung tatay. Maalit.
Sa akin, girl. Wala siya mapag-practice dati ng makeup.
sa dilim. Mahal, huwag ka nang malimba.
already gave up having a partner, but then I think God still blessed me by giving me you.
Gising ng mga damdamin, hindi ko akalain nasa akin. Habang patuloy ang pagsulat at pagkulay ng kwento
Yung iwanan, and forever talaga na I can see myself doing that for the rest of my life.
habang buhay, mabubuhay ang pag-ibig natin sa bawat awit natin. Walang pipigil sa habang buhay, habang buhay.
When I was with you, I started being with you. Ang sarap-sarap talaga magmahal. Araw-araw. Na araw-araw hindi natin nakakalimutan, there's something to laugh at.
Ano nakita mo? Vibrator nga. Ay, hindi vibrator kaya. Ano ba yan? Disappointed, hindi vibrator. Pwede na. Okay na to. Pwede mahaba rin.